Hello to Miss Ito. Guys, nandito tayo sa dressing room at i-meet natin ang ating debutant. Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Teresa Gila. Oh, 15 minutes na lang, girl. Anong nararamdaman natin?
I am excited and nervous at the same time. And I hope everything goes well.
Yeah, everything is well, like deep well. Okay. At kapag alala, dahil ako nang bahala magpasaya, all I want from you is to be yourself, especially sa paglalakad mo mamaya at i-feel mo yung gown mo, i-feel mo yung birthday celebration at lahat ng nagmamahal sa'yo ando na. Maso-surprise ka sa kanila kasi lahat ay naka-prepared at pinaghandaan nila to para sa'yo. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, happiness at sana matapos mo lahat ng gusto mong marating, lalo na ang iyong pinapangarap na in the future. Ano bang pangarap ng Gila?
Undecided, but I want to be successful.
Successful. Okay, lahat naman tayo magiging successful. Kaya naman, konting oras na lang, tara na!